what's up? Welcome back to another IPSY unboxing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is in the month of January's IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Pluses. I'm so excited because I have my box right here, and if you don't know, this is not sponsored, but I am an IPSY Open Studios member, so I have the honor to get these boxes every month, and I know this video is coming a little bit late, but I think with shipping and everything in the US, you know, being behind, I did get this package a little late this month, but that's okay. We are even more excited. I'm gonna jump right on into it, and I will have all the details below, but let me just like preface this. Again, this is not sponsored, but IPSY has introduced me to the most fabulous world of skincare. I have this serum from Sunday Riley, for example. It's like a $90 serum, and I use it every day, and it has changed my life, but it was in my IPSY box, and I would have never paid that much for that, but the fact that I got it in my IPSY box is just like miraculous. And every single month, it's the skincare that really gets me. They have fabulous makeup too, but the skincare has just rocked my world. But I did have a couple of additions that were in my bigger box. I got like this big brown box in the mail, and inside it was my IPSY box, and then also I got this cute notebook, and so it has a pen that comes with it. It's in this plastic, so let me open it. And you guys know there's nothing I love more than any kind of like stationery, any kind of like office type thing, like notebook, pencils, pens. So first impression, this pen feels, Siri just started talking to me, but this pen feels so like smooth. It's one of those like, you know, it's gonna write good. Oh, I'm excited about that. And so this is the notebook. It's so cute, and on the back it says IPSY Discover Yourself. Oh wait, this is a planner. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, this is so cute. So I will be using this. I'm gonna be using this for YouTube. This is so cute. Wait, it's like a weekly planner too. There's so much in here. Okay, I just thought this was gonna be like a regular notebook, but it also has like these blank planning sections. IPSY. Oh, and then it has like blank paper in the back. IPSY, you really shouldn't have. This is like, I know it's just like a notebook, but like things like this really get me hyped. I'm not joking. Also, another thing that was in the box was this beautiful bottle. So this is like could be a water bottle for coffee, whatever. It is like this like porcelain feeling. Hear that? Oh, we love it. And it says IPSY at the bottom, and it's like this beautiful blue white look. It has this cute little top, and it's gonna be perfect. It makes me want to go to work, like work in the office so bad. I can't wait for that to happen, because I can see me just bringing this in there, sitting it on my desk. It's so cute. We are gonna open this box. I tried to open it myself with my hands, but that wasn't happening. Per usual, it says Discover Yourself, and then we have this protection foam to keep everything from breaking. Ooh, it looks like a good one. So first they gave me this little card, and it has the same theme as the notebook. It says like, dream it, new month, new year, phew, and the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. And we love that. You know, I'm so set on goals and everything, so yeah, okay, I'm so excited. I just want to dig right in. Okay, I already see cute stuff. So this is the Glam Bag. The Glam Bag is cheaper than the Glam Bag Plus, and it has, I believe, 5 sample-sized products that comes with it. And first of all, this bag, it's so squishy. I love this feeling. It's like a plasticky, soft feel. So first thing in here is Drama Bomb by Uoma Beauty. This is an extreme volume nourishing mascara. So we love mascara. That's another thing. IPSY always gives you some good mascara in here. This is super duper cute. Red and white packaging. We love. Wand looks incredible. I will be using this. You already know it. Ooh, one of my favorite brands, Origins, the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. You guys know I'm gonna be using this tonight. Tonight The Bachelor comes on. I'm gonna put this rose mask on. So cute, we love that. Ooh, Stila. So it's a Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I believe I've had lipstick from them before. I love Stila. I love their eyeliner especially. And this is in the shade Patina. It's like this mauve color, which y'all already know. That is like my favorite color to wear. It looks beautiful. Oh, and then we have, Cover FX, a shimmer veil. Yall. It's in the shade Soleil. It says it's a pearlescent cream, perfect for your eyelids, but can also be used anywhere you want some more shimmer. So you guys know, like, even this look right now, I'm super into like natural glam, like dewy glam. Oh, this is so beautiful. It is like this bomb gold color. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, that's so pretty. I always smell everything. Oh, that's beautiful. I always accidentally put the brightness up too high to where you can't even tell when I swatch something, but trust me, it's so beautiful. It is like that beautiful bronzy glow. I wish I would have opened this before I did my makeup because that 100% would have been on me. Okay, this might have came in the glam bag too, because it was outside, but I think the package, sometimes if like the glam bags have something that's in a bigger package, they'll put it outside the glam bag and put it with like the plus stuff. But this is the Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. You guys know, like I said, and this is by the brand Kinship, but you guys know, like I said, their skincare that they put in here has never done me dirty, I will say that. Foaming cleanser, and it purifies, hydrates, and softens your skin without stripping, leaving you with a smoothie-like texture. I love a good smoothie, so I'm gonna try this later. First of all, the packaging, super cute, and I love the sample size stuff because it's so good for traveling, and also it's like always comes in the cutest bags. But next we will get over to the Glam Bag Plus stuff. First of all, here's the Glam Bag Plus bag. It's like my favorite thing every month to see like what the bags are gonna look like, and I love this blue theme. October had like a really cute theme. November, December's was so cute. It was like the kind of like a soft smoothing Sherpa feel. You guys know some Sherpa I have beef with. Oh guys, I actually have this. So this is the Nuance Quartet Blush Quad by IPSY. I am going to save this because I have this. IPSY actually sent me this, so I'm not going to open this. I'm going to use this for a giveaway in another video. How beautiful. So I actually have, this is so crazy that this is what I use. I have the blush on right now. It's so beautiful. So this is in the Sugar Blossom palette. That's crazy that they sent me this. So I will be doing a giveaway with this. This will be in like a future giveaway. I'll wait to get more stuff to add to it. But that's so crazy. So I'm wearing like a very tiny bit of the blush. That video is probably not up yet. I did film this look that I have on, but when that goes up, I'll let you know. Next we have Wonder Beauty, a lip retreat oil. So I'm actually wearing Wonder Beauty eyeliner on my waterline right now. So I love it. It's super, super pigmented. Okay, this is in the shade Oasis. What did I even say this was? A lip retreat oil. Ooh, I love a good lip oil. This is the packaging. It's definitely my vibe. Okay. I have on a gloss right now, so I'm not going to use it right now, but again, ooh, so excited. Okay, next we have Youth to the People. I've heard about this brand. It is the Maki and Acai Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. It's a facial oil, so it's in the super cute natural looking packaging. Let's open this up. Okay, this just looks bougie. I don't even know, like, it's a glow oil. That's so exciting. Okay, so it's for all skin types. We will be trying this out as well. Very excited about that. Okay, next we have the Sela. It is the Cream Violet Soothing Hand and Body Butter with lavender and oatmeal. Okay, so first of all, it's January. I'm dry all the time now. I want to open this. It smells like a spa. It smells like something I've smelt before. You know how sometimes you'll use lotions and it just immediately makes you feel sticky? This is like the opposite of that. Like my hands feel so creamy. I went to the spa a couple weeks ago and they put this lavender stuff on me. And that's exactly what that smells like. Okay, this is the last thing that we have in here. And I'm very excited because I feel like this is brushes and they always have the best brushes. So this is the LaRousse brand. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, it's brushes. Yay. Okay, I love this. So, they always have the best brushes in here. So we have a couple different things. We have a flat shading brush. I can always use more brushes. We have a flat powder brush. I honestly think I might have this. Oh, we have this. It's a highlighter brush. This is a blush brush. I need a new blush brush. And this is a tapered blending brush. So it kind of just gives you a whole bunch of everything. I am so To be straight up honest, I'm really excited about this notebook. Y'all, I am so hyped about this notebook, and I'm really excited that I have another one of these quad palettes by IPSY, so I can include that in the giveaway because I love it. I love the bronzer in it. I love the highlighters. It's like these light pink and the gold, and the blush is like my favorite because you guys know I love a bright pink blush. And what's crazy to me is just how affordable all of this is from IPSY. It's just so cheap, for lack of a better word. Literally, you can buy one of these things for almost the price as what you're getting for like a whole month's worth of stuff. So it's just insane. I'll have the details down below. Besides the calendar, the product I think I'm most excited about is this shimmer veil from Cover FX. I've heard stuff about this. I feel like I've seen bloggers use this stuff. So I am very hyped. I love anything shimmery. This will be perfect with my outfit right now. So we love that. This is just such a highlight of my month. It really is like my favorite day of the month when I see this like box come in the mail. I'm like, man, it gives you something to look forward to, especially like this year. And I've talked about it before. Getting an IPSY subscription is the perfect gift. Number one, it's affordable on you. It's really no different than you would probably spend on someone a gift anyway. I know it's January. Let me just say, if I had someone that gave me an IPSY subscription as a gift, I would love them forever and ever because it's just so thoughtful and it's the gift that keeps on giving. I'm just so excited that they, you know, sent me this stuff. It's just so sweet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all soon in my next one. Bye, guys.